I think that it's really important to offer these types of opportunities for students to see what is available to them here on the island. Even though we are such a small island, it's important to let them know that they're not missing out on things that are happening in the States and bringing those experiences to them. And so hopefully they can help grow and foster opportunities in the future for the workforce or even students to come in our local economy.
Hi, my name is Alton Jose. I'm the automotive ambassador here at Tiyan. I'm a senior. And at this UOG fair, they had the chemical part, they had a math part. I saw drones around, they had this little ball remote control thing. And they were talking about their careers at UOG. So at the chemical one, they were showing us different ways that electricity conducts and all that. The math one was all the different math things. And on the stage, they were showing us how to fly drones, how to make sure that they're flying straight, not wobbling or anything. These ones are also a similar concept where trying to make it stable. In the back, there was more talking about the UOG careers and what they have there. So they were just explaining like what they do, how you can join them, and what benefits you can get from those.
It was super fun. I went through almost all the booths, and then they were asking us what we wanted to do, and then their answers tailored towards for example, I mentioned nursing, and they gave examples of what I could do and how the program that they offered helped or catered towards nursing, and how it could. They offered programs job opportunities, as well as teaching us how to apply for certain internships there. It was super fun and I learned a lot.
It was very interesting and fun. It helped expose me to many other opportunities and experiences I could do outside of high school, and it taught me a lot more about STEM, since STEM isn't something I'm very familiar with. So it helped educate me on that, and I'm very happy and grateful. I think it's very important because although we could think that we know most things, or that the school is teaching us everything that they can, there's stuff like this is important because it shows us the realities and how things are truly going to be. And if we didn't have this event, then I wouldn't have learned anything that I learned today.
Hi, I'm Sophie Duenas. I'm the school principal of Tiyan High School. We had the STEM Wars visit our school today. The students look so excited and interested. I'm so glad to have this experience, and I hope that we have some community partners that will come out and try to also grow that interest in STEM. So when partners come out and share their experiences or their devices, they bring authenticity to the classroom, which motivates and sparks the interest of students. So please come out, support Tiyan High School. So we're grateful to the Upper Valley University of Guam for bringing in the STEM Wars. They're here to recruit more students into their program and also provide all these types of experiences for them. So we hope our students will find interest in this and go to places that will find them assistance to go to college.